Hello everyone, and welcome to a really cool science experiment that you can do at home. All you need is an egg, a tall glass with some water and some table salt. I will explain the step-by-step process so that you can have a go at doing it yourselves. So here I have a regular glass of water. Watch what happens when I place an egg inside. So I'm going to gently place the egg in the glass of water. And as you can see, it has sunk to the bottom. But I wonder what happens when I add some table salt. So with the water that we had originally, I added some salt to the mixture, roughly around 6 tablespoonsful. I then added some regular water on top. Let's see what happens when I place the egg inside now. So this egg has been left in the glass of water for about 15 seconds, and as you can see, it's floating. So what I would like you now to do is pause this video, have a go at doing this experiment yourself, and see if you can come up with why you think the egg is floating. What I will then do towards the end of this video is reveal exactly why and how the egg is floating. So hopefully now you have had a go at doing this yourself at home. So why is it actually happening? Salt water is denser than ordinary tap water. The denser the liquid, the easier it is for an object to float in it. When you lower the egg into the liquid, it drops through normal tap water until it reaches the salty water. At this point, the water is dense enough for the egg to float. If you were careful when you added the tap water to the salt water, they will not have mixed, enabling the egg to amazingly float in the middle of the glass, as you can see right here. So hopefully you guys have now had a go at doing this experiment yourself. It's very easy and simple to do at home, and you don't need much equipment either.